How do you sell courses online? I'm going to give you the 3 components that you can use in an organic way to grow and sell online courses. So the reason I'm coming to you with this is because online education programs where you basically know something that somebody else wants to know and you just know it better than them. And so they want to get it from you to save time and save money, save stress and all those things. But how do you actually build one and sell one? Well, you need social media because that's where people are. Find a place where you can create videos where you're actually sharing with people what it is you do to help them solve their problem. The next thing is create an email list. At the end of the day, people can complicate this and make it very difficult and make it sound like it's so complicated and all these different types of things. But at the end of the day, here's what we're doing. We're building a list of people that have the problem that we can solve, and then we're selling the people on the list the solution. We keep trying to make the solution better by trying to make it faster, easier, more fun. The better you can make this thing efficient, get them from point A to point B, the better everything is. So when we get people on the list, how do we do that? Well, we go out on social media, we provide content that gets their attention, shares with them what it is that we do, why we do it, shares our expertise so that they can say, this is the person that I need to learn from. And then what we can do is simply drive them over to a place where they'll give us their name and their email, and we'll provide them with incredible value, show them exactly what we do to get them from point A to point B, and then we ask them to buy at the end. It's very simple. You can charge them a monthly fee, or you can charge them a one-time fee. You can do it with them, you can do it for them, or you can show them how to do it themselves. The point is there's people out there that in their current situation, they don't know how to get from where they are to where they want to be. Maybe you've done that already. Maybe you figured that out. Maybe you figured it out so many times that you can do it very easily. That's what somebody's gonna come pay you for. And the third thing we need some sort of free group or some sort of incubator. That way, when we're showing people what we can do to help them solve their problem, they can give us feedback and they can tell us exactly what we should have in our course, so we know exactly what to do to create something that people actually want. This is the key. So what you wanna do is you wanna think about what is it that people already come to me for, and how can I package that up and show people how to do it, in an automated way? Because that's exactly why I love online businesses, especially the online education space, because you can literally know how to do something, show somebody how to do it using video, and maybe you have a couple PDF files or some pictures to show them whatever it takes to get them from point A to point B. We only have images, we have text, we have audio, we have video. These are the only ways that we can show people how to do something online. So you use those formats to get them from point A to point B, creating something that people actually need, that's useful, that saves them time, energy, money, heartache. And we go out there and we let people know, hey, here's what we do to help you solve your problem. Here's how you can get it. And a matter of fact, go over to here, and that's sending them to your funnel. And I'll show you a free version of what we do. I'll provide you value in advance. And if you do like it and it seems to make sense, then you can sign up with us and we can help you. If you have a free group though, you can get people into that free group and they can talk with other people trying to solve the same problem, and you can overhear that and oversee that, and it teaches you every video that you need to create to attract more people. It teaches you exactly what to put in your program, so when people get it, it's exactly what they need, which causes them to say to their friends that have the same problem, hey, I bought this course and it helped me get from point A to point B. You should go check it out too. And we keep this going, and we keep a process, and we keep consistency in play, and we just every single day try to make our program better. Every single day we try to make our videos better so that they reach people more. And I just love this because anybody who has the desire to help other people, that has created an expertise in something, no matter what it is. I've seen people teach horse ballet and make 60 grand a month. I've seen people teach a single subject inside of Google Sheets and make 10 grand a month. I've seen people that love to do whatever it is, fishing or hunting or clothing or marketing. And really at the end of the day, you're just trying to help somebody in these 3 zones, which would be you're trying to either help them make money, whatever way you know how to do that, or you're trying to help them get in good shape or health and fitness, or you're trying to help them with their relationships or their mental aspects, or really you're living in those 3 markets and you're just finding subsets inside of that. And most likely you can just think to yourself on paper, what do people keep coming to me for? And so in leaving in how to sell courses online, I would have you create 3 circles on a piece of paper, okay, like a Venn diagram. In one of them, put all of your interests, put as many as you can. In the other one, put all of your skills, as many as you can. And then in the third one, think about what market am I really living in? Am I helping people make money? Am I helping people get healthy? Am I helping people with their relationships? And then what I would do is I would try to match what people need in the marketplace, where they're actively searching and seeking, where you can marry your skills and your passions together and create something that will show them how to get from point A to point B. And that's how you sell courses online. Put out videos about the topic that you're talking about. My favorite thing is to just dig into your program, pull pieces out, and share it with people. Actually help them by actually helping them. And then there's no confusion as to whether or not you can do that, and they will come to you to get the complete story. If you like this, if you got any value from it, please subscribe. Put down in the comments if you have any questions or you have any feedback for me or other videos you'd like to learn, and I'll see you in the next one.